more rocks. Rock. Rock. And another rock. I'm sure they love rocks. They throw it in my hand. And I have another rock. And another rock. This one pick up. Sing Rockabye Baby, it's okay? Baby, it's okay. Hey.
Yeah, was that a Tits adventure?
Yes.
Didn't like it.
When I born and I said, ow, 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 ow,
Yeah,
ow.
Yaya loved him.
Hey everyone, I didn't get to film much after this point of the hike as my daughter and wife were getting pretty tired, and this was our second hike of the day. It was getting late. I was however able to capture an image towards the end of the hike that I did not expect. Here it is.
And the baby woke up.
Was it video?
Yes, can you tell me about your YouTube channel?
Aria.
Yeah, what do we do with your YouTube channel?
Subscribe to my channel. If you like the subscribe button, then hit the star bell and subscribe to my channel. So this is Aria's Bubble Gun Fun. Bye. Can I see? Is it video?